Hi, Mark Wilhelm here with the Green Ideas Save Energy team, sitting here with Rick Carr and also Jalal Avades. We are very focused on energy efficiency and delivering services not only in energy efficiency but also in renewable energy systems to clients. And we have experience in the design, the operations, the financing, and incentives, and also for analyzing the different impacts on rates that renewable energy systems can have. And I'll just take a couple minutes to talk about a client that we had recently. It's a large school district that's local in the Phoenix area. And we were invited in. They had an excellent team and an excellent approach coming from their facilities and from the highest level of their school district to focus on energy efficiency. And they'd had this for years. And in fact, a friend was sitting on their energy team for about maybe 8-10 years, and he was doing some wonderful work there saving energy for them. And then they decided they wanted to get involved more in renewable energy. And so they went out into the marketplace and they ended up hiring a company to put some photovoltaic systems on some high schools. And I remember that they called me in and they interviewed a number of people and they hired me to come in and assist them when it came to evaluating about 40 of their different school campuses for renewable energy. The reason that they wanted to do this, and the facility manager wanted to do this specifically, was because he said, you know, Mark, I'm a controller. I like to have an understanding that I know pretty much what's going on with what people are talking to me about and trying to sell me. And he said, I didn't feel that way when it came to renewable energy. I didn't understand the rates, the impact on the rates. I didn't understand the technology, how much it would cost, how it's being financed, the power purchase agreements, all these different aspects of it. He said, I just sort of felt ill at ease. So I want somebody on my side of the table who can help me look at this. So what we did, the first phase, we went in and helped evaluate all of these different school districts, not districts, these school buildings. We took a look at the roof, we took a look at where we could put up shading, we evaluated the quality of the roof, if it needed to be changed out, and all of those things, a facilities assessment. We went through and evaluated their electric rooms, their service entrance sections, was there enough space to install all of the equipment? Did we have to do line side taps? Was there enough space on the service entrance sections, the electrical gear to accept this renewable energy system? How would we work with the utility? What are the interconnection agreements and requirements and gear required? And then, how do we position ourselves to win whatever incentives are available? All of those different types of things. What types of technology would we recommend? What types of design? How big should the system be? We started to look at all those aspects. And even when they started to receive some proposals and engage in some contracts with some clients that the systems were oversized, it was causing a challenge to the financial benefit to the schools. And so as a result, we were able to go through and evaluate that, and with an excellent team, we were able to come up with a savings of around $1.2, $1.3 million for that particular school district. And so we were able to do that pretty quickly. That took about a 4 to 6 month, four-month period of evaluation. So I was really excited about doing that, and we look forward to doing that for other school districts and universities and municipalities. And we'll come back and we'll hear some case studies from Rick and from Jalal here as one of the next bits. So thanks very much from the Green Ideas Save Energy team.